Sorry mo, pero lang sa baba na. Malapit lang. At gusto niya tayo lalabas.
Lalabas po, pero
konti lang.
parang tatawid lang po talaga.
Kung mapag-yun siya, very convenient.
Tatawid lang po.
Saka sabi mo, safe to, di ba? Safe na.
Tatawid po pagka-traffic, may heavy traffic po sa area. Ito, crowded airport po.
Recommended kasi mo kami na eh. Kamag-anak na.
Ground. Ground lang siya.
Sa baba yun.
Ground floor.
Turn on right po. Turn right.
Nabalik nila.
Hindi, sino magpupush? Ang dami noon. Hey, Kiana! You need to help the pushing. Asa na sila? Kasi nga parang... Oo nga pala, ang ganda na nga ito. Pagkakot lang yung push. Bakit go back there? Roy! Bakit na yan, Roy? Ito pala, may bus sila eh, oh. Pwede dito mag-park? Oh, you can still do that.
Yeah, thank you. Pagod lang.
Okay lang sa dito na lang. step.
Ito maliliit na red boss. Tama daw.
Huwag na po sir. Bawasan mo pa yan.
Sorry.
This is yours?
Yeah.
Adi, Adi.
Yeah, I told you yours. Kuha pa ng
Ito nandito. May dalawa.
yung room niyo po.
741 at 743.
Kain namin sa video.
Or interpret mo na lang
Naiiwan, DSL. Naiiwan yung ano mo.
Ano dadali na lang sa room niyo? 741, di ba? Dadlakan 741. Ali, sama niya si daddy niyo para maka ano na. Turn the...
We walk so. You go to the mall. No, the mall's closed. It's Holy Week. Everything is closed. It's Holy Week.
Yeah, the whole week.
Yeah.
Awesome.
That's what Tito Michelle is kind of like sad because we won't be able to eat at like restaurants right now.
Wow,
Yeah.
so what? So we just get
It was closed for the week.
It's Holy Week.
Bitawan niyo. Bitawan mo muna.
4-3.
Oh,
No, that's
Alright.
our thing too.
Ah.
You have two?
yeah.
Oh, yay! Nice!
Saan yung room namin to? Or is ours? Oh, ba't may tao rito?
Wait.
Kaninong room yun?
Tito Michelle and Tito Dax are gonna be together. Probably with
You guys are
Mom.
in a different room. We'll just chill out here for a bit.
Kanino to?
This is for your
Oh,
mom.
he's still like third.
Okay. Dito na kami.